So in this job, we're going to change out the serpentine belt. First thing you're going to need to do is jack up the vehicle. So put the jack in its place in the center of the vehicle and jack the vehicle up. That way we can take the passenger front tire off to access the serpentine, the tensioner for the serpentine belt. So we're going to jack it up. Next we're going to put a jack stand just for safety measures. Next we're going to take the wheel off. Of course this car has wheel locks, so let me grab the wheel lock real quick. First thing you need to do is, of course, release the wheel lock. Rule of thumb, you're not supposed to impact the wheel locks, but we're going to go ahead and do that anyway. That's the wheel lock, and then release the other 5 nuts. So to get to the tensioner, we're going to have to take the wheel inner cover off, and to do that there's usually a few clips, plastic clips, that you kind of pry out, but a lot of time on older vehicles they're missing. On the lower part of this there's 2 screws that you have to release, and then you can pull the cover off. So with the cover being removed or pulled to the side, you can access the belt tensioner there, and that's going to be a between a 14 and 16 millimeter, and you're just going to pull it and the belt should release and pull the belt out. So 14 millimeter, you're going to put it on there on the belt tensioner. You're going to pull to the left, releases the belt, pull the belt off, and now your belt's off. And there you have it. Alright, so now the belt's released from the tensioner. Now the belt's loose. You can just pull the belt out like so. Of course, because it's such a tight spot, it's gonna have a little fight. Give me a minute. And there you have it, and that's the old belt. So right here is the new belt, and the part number is 710K6. And what you're going to do before you put it on there is you're going to pull this out and put the belt side by side and make sure that the length is the same. Always do that. Alright, so I'm not going to show the installing the belt part because it's a very tight spot, but you can go online or look up the specs for the vehicle, and it will show the belt of which way it goes over the crankshaft, the alternator, the tensioner, and the compressor. But once you look that up, you can just install it that way. It's basically the reverse way of taking it off. And that will be the end of the video. If you like it, like the video. Thank you.